Welcome to Auto Hailco, Denver's leading auto hail repair facility specializing in paintless dent repair.
One of the main things that sets us apart from other companies is we take away the inconvenience of having to deal with a hail pipe. We work directly with the insurance company and we handle everything from start to finish so the customer doesn't have to, which includes coming out to your house before you even bring your car in. We offer a free inspection, a free evaluation. We walk the car with the customer. There's no obligation. We only use the most experienced technicians and we have a lifetime warranty on everything we do. In addition to helping them with their deductible, we also provide a rental car at no charge through Enterprise. The idea of the program is that it's a zero out-of-pocket experience for the customer. We're a local shop right here in Denver. When you come to us, we're independent, we work for you. It's always about what's best for the car, what's best for the customer.
We are Auto Hailco. Call today for a free evaluation at your home or business.